Okay, so today we will be seeing how to draw this one first. Okay, so first of all, whenever somebody give you a drawing, you need to see how to do. Okay, first think how you are going to do this drawing, which is the easy method. No, you need to analyze the drawing first. Okay, what is the easy method? So I think, okay, for me, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the circle, then I'm going to do a bigger circle, then I do to go do the square and do this rectangle, and then there is another rectangle here, and then another circle here. Okay, I'll try doing that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first we start from the circle. So the draw circle, center radius. Okay, so first is center, then radius is 60, right? So I put enter 60. Okay, then again this one is how much? 50. What is here? The big one. This one don't have radius. Okay, so no radius don't have, right? But here you have 20, right? So how you calculate 20? This 20 plus this is how much? 50, 60. This is 60 divided by 2 is how much? 30, right?
Third.
Okay. Any question? Ask me. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this 30 plus 50 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. Okay. So this I'm going to put another circle. See, I say 100 radius. Clear?
Okay.
You know why I put 100? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Sir, 100.
Yes.
I'm not sure, sir.
Not sure. Very good. Okay. So for example, okay, first this is very clear, right? The dimension is already there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For this
Yeah.
one, don't have dimension. For this this circle, there's no radius or no diameter is given. But they give a size here. From here it is 20. From here is 20. This size they already given you. So
yes,
so you need to calculate from the center. From center to here we need to calculate. Then from here to here is 20. So from the center is actually here is the total is 160. 160 divided by 2 is actually 80. So 80 is the center. Okay, 80 is the center. From 80 plus 20 is actually 100. So from this center to this corner, this point is 100, right? So this radius is 100, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we need to draw the rectangle. Okay, for me, I told you that I'm very much interested in the offset command. So easy for me also. So I'll use offset. Okay, draw line. Okay, I'm going to draw a center line. I go to this ortho is on. So this ortho is on actually here. So I just capture the center line and then I make a line here. The O snap is also on. Okay, so this I already did here. So okay, this is how much. Okay, then this corner is how much? This 100 divided by 2 is 50. 50 plus 70 is how much? Is 120. Correct? 120, yeah? Agree?
120. Yeah.
From the center is 120, yeah? So what I put another line here? Draw line center down. Okay, this one I have to change to 120, right? Offset. So I go here. Offset. Okay, modify offset 120, right? 120. So 120 I offset already. So I got this line already. This line I already got, huh? Then I need to get the other line, right? So other line is how much? So 100 plus 70 plus 70 is 240, right? So other line is 240 offset. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Offset is 240, 240. Okay, so here is already there. Now this has to be, now is this one we already saw. 50 plus 60 is 160. 160 divided by 2 is actually 80, right? So again 80. Offset is 80. Okay, so this side is 80 and this side is 80. Okay. Okay, now I got it here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to extend. Okay, so I'm going to extend this line. Format. Okay, modify, extend. Sorry, it's not lengthen. Modify. Extend. Where is extend? Okay, extend. Okay, so I click here. I extend this line. Extend already. Yeah. Then I need to click here. I extend this line. Okay, extend already. Now I need to join these two, right? Yeah, these two can be joined by using, maybe I need to lengthen this one. Either I can do two way. Okay, one is actually I can do fillet. Okay, so what I do, draw modify fillet. Okay, then here I need to see the radius on what is the radius. Okay, yeah, so radius. Okay, r. I put r here, then enter. The radius is 50. Right? I'm going to change to 0. Okay, now its radius is 0. Now what I'm going to do, join this two. See, join already. The radius, because here I put fillet, but the radius is 0. See, the radius, since radius is 0, there's no sharp corner. If there's one, then yeah, there will be 1 r here. There. So if it's sharp corner, you should put radius is 0. Okay.
So fillet working forward.
Okay. Fillet is actually is for okay. I changed the fillet radius. Huh? Enter. So again the fillet is there. Then now I put r. Okay, radius. R, enter. Then I put here 10. Okay, maybe I put 50. Yeah, no, 10 is enough. Okay. Sorry. R. Somebody is need to off the audio. It's very noisy. Okay. Then when you talk, it's just unmute and talk. Okay. Okay. Just now this radius is I put 10. Okay. See what happens here. This is what fillet does. See here. Radius is this radius is 10. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put fillet radius 0. Okay. Now see what happens. See, now become sharp. That means no radius here, but it's joined together.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now I need to delete and trim. Okay. Modify, erase. I just erase this to center line. No need, right? Say delete. Okay. Now trim. So what I do, I modify, trim. I select everything together. Enter. I come from the outside. Okay. If from inside I come, then I cannot delete anything. So I come from outside. So I delete this one. Then whatever I don't want, I delete. See. Done already. Okay. Now I need to do this radius and this radius. Okay. I need to know the center of this. Okay. I still want to keep the. I want to make the center line. So I was just what to do. Draw line. Okay. I make the center line. Okay. Center. Sorry. Line center to center. Okay. Then here also I want to center to center. Okay. Then this one I want to delete already. Okay. So now what is this? 20, right? From here is 20, right? So what is the radius? Radius is not given. So what will be the thing? How to find out here? Radius is not given. How to find out? Okay. So any idea how to find out? There is an easy method. Can how somebody do this exercise, right? How you do this one? Hello. I want to.
Sir, Shahzad did this one.
Who? Akash did, right? Akash. I saw somebody. Who did this exercise?
Shahzad and
Sajad, okay, Sajad, how
Akash. Shahzad and
Akash, how you do? Akash, how you do? Kekla. Is Akash is here? Hello.
Akash is here, but he's I think
Okay. So
not
Akash,
listening.
then who else did the exercise? Okay. Okay.
Sir,
சொல்லுங்க.
select circle.
Ah,
Dia is the 30. Then you
diameter
already
30.
have the center point, right?
Diameter 30.
Because
Yeah.
the length is here 60, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you already draw the center point.
Okay.
You select the circle and
Okay.
dia is the 30.
Okay.
Then we make it this circle.
Okay. Can I'll try. Okay. Okay. So if you're saying that draw a circle, draw circle. This center point is here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Then diameter is radius is 30, right?
30, right? Yes.
Okay. You agree with this one?
Then you
agree with this one? See, it look like both are same?
not same, sir.
Not same, right? See, they are given the
Same.
dimension is here.
20,
here
sir.
20.
20.
Right? But
Yes.
your one is how much?
30, sir.
Okay, so how we do? Okay, there is a simple method. Okay, I'll teach you. Format, modify, delete. Okay. Okay. Now, this is 30, right? So this is 60, right? So what you do? Modify, offset 30. Okay, I offset this on 30, 30. Okay. Then this one is a 20, right? So I offset 20. Okay. Now I'm going to do a circle or arc. Okay. 3-point arc. Did you remember 3-point arc?
Arc use பண்ணானே.
யார் mark use பண்ணது?
ஆகாஷ்.
Akash, okay, arc. I want 3-point arc. 3-point arc. Where is the 3-point arc? Because we don't know the center, right? So center, we do, okay, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. See? Here also are the same. புரியுதா?
புரியுது, sir.
Okay, offset is 20, right? Okay. When I select this point, draw arc 3 points. First point, second point is already getting the center of this line. Okay, then third point. Okay, now I modify, erase this one. This one I don't need. This one I don't need. This one I don't need. Okay, now I need to trim, right? So again, modify, trim, select everything together, enter, then select everything together, enter. Okay, so now I already did this one. So now which one is left over? Only this is left over, right? So how we can do?
This one you choose. Sir, you choose the offset.
Offset,
The 15 mm, right? Yeah, 15 mm.
Okay, offset. Okay. So offset, modify, offset 15 mm,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
15. Okay, 15.
Yes.
Okay. Then, okay, first can we join this one? We do
can join.
Join,
yes, external.
join. Okay.
Join also and external also.
See, join already. Okay, we use the join command. Okay, then
you offset the 30, sir.
Offset to 30. Okay, good.
30, yeah.
Offset 30, 30. Okay, then this is how much?
Is the 130, sir.
130. So how we do 130? So either you can just
So
put
make
center
it
line.
make
Easy one. No,
make it
no,
center. Yeah.
without calculations,
Yes,
just
sir.
put
Make it
center.
center. Yeah, 65, 65.
Sorry. Line, right? No, now it's an offset command. Okay. Draw line center to center. Okay. So offset is how much?
So 65, 65. Total 130.
Say okay.
So we make it 65. 65.
65.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Again, trim right. What command to give?
Yes, sir.
As he also can draw right, but okay. Now I want to copy. Okay. Okay. So we'll do it then. Copy. Okay. Okay. Trim. Modify. Trim. Select everything. Then I just scroll down to make it bigger. Select these points. This one, delete this one. Click here, delete. Click here, delete. Okay. So this is what is the radius? R10, right? So I can go to fillet, modify, fillet 10. Okay. Okay, we put radius, then put 10. R, then put 10. Okay. Enter. Enter one more time. Enter. Got it, right? So then what is the next command to give?
Just now you make it circling. Enter. Can you show me this one again?
Okay. Okay.
Just undo.
Okay. So modify.
Yes, sir.
Fillet. Then put R here. R is because radius. Then here you put 10. Then enter. Then it select the first object. Okay. So object, select the first object 1. Then select the second object. Okay. Then that's select here it says select the second object. Select the second object. Okay. Then the command already finished. So you want again the command, then you just put enter. Then the same command will come again.
Yes,
no need to write again. Is like fillet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then again the command is gone. You see, only one time, then the command is gone. Then I want this command back. Then I just enter. Then the
Yes,
command, I can get the command back. Okay. Then enter.
It's working by fillet.
Yes, fillet. Okay.
Yes,
okay. So then.
Sir, you go to mirror, sir. Correct.
What command do you want?
Mirror, right?
Very good. Who Jai Shekhara? Good.
Yes,
why not copy? Yeah.
Because copy is original is the disappear, sir.
Not original disappear. You need to calculate what is the distance. So mirror, I don't need to calculate. Just I can close my eyes and do. Okay, mirror means I don't need to calculate anything. If not, I need to calculate what is the length and where I need to place, what is the distance, all these things. So I don't want, mirror is better. Enter. Then this point is a center point. Here also got center point. And I got it here. Okay. Right. Now we will come back to the. Now today we are coming to the real class. Only now our clear class starts. We only got 20 minutes more. Okay. Okay, so today I'm going to see about dimension. Okay, linear. First is linear. What is linear? Any idea what is linear?
Linear is the straight dimension, sir.
Yes, correct. So linear is a straight dimension. So dimension linear is actually from here to here. Okay. So dimension linear from here to here. This is 60. It looks big, right? Okay. So what we do is today we are not going to do the dim style. There is a command called dim style. Okay, I'm going to change this one, but I'm going to teach dim style next week. Okay, this week is not dim style one because I don't want to pack too many information at 1 week. Then it will be very difficult for you to do the exercise. Okay, so I just put here dimension. Here got dim style. I'm going to change here. Okay, So this is IFF. I created already one of his IFF. So now modify. I'm modifying this one to symbols and arrows first. So I see this is a difference. This is open 30 degrees, this is a right angle, right? I need to change the open 30 degree. I'll tell you what is open next week. Next week we'll be studying this one. So I'll teach you next week, okay? So this is the, I put arrow size is 10. Okay. So today we stop here. Then okay, this is the offset. Offset 1, 2. Okay, the fit is primary. Okay, then this is also 10. This next week I'll teach you this one, okay? Okay. Now is I close. Okay. Now we see the dimension. That does look nice enough. Dimension, linear. Okay, this look nice, right? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
just now you are doing a linear. Can see the how much 60, right?
Yes.
But I'm doing. I cannot see the writing. But linear coming cannot count. I cannot see the how much distance. Can you do it again, please?
No, this is wrong. This is wrong. You see, this is 60 here, got 70. So again, our method is wrong. So we should use 3 point. Okay. No man, you understand, right? That's enough for us. It's not important that we draw the right thing. Okay.
Okay.
What is your question? Sorry, what is your question?
My question is, I can see 60 writing, but
Yes.
I cannot write same on my laptop. I cannot see.
Okay, this is too small now because it is too small. Okay, that's why there's okay. Then just go here. Okay, there are 2 things you can do. Okay, one is actually you go to dim style. There is a command called dim dimension style. Okay, just
Okay.
dim STYL. Okay, see for example, I type here. Okay, next week I don't want to pack so much things. So next week I'm teach this one. Since you asked this question, I'm telling you. But next week I'm going to teach the same subject. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Dim style. Okay, dim style. Enter. Okay, so this one appears, right? You just enter DIM STYLE. Okay, dim style, then enter. Then here you go and change the size. Either you create new or modify, then you change the size. Text, and then change the size to 10 or big. Or you see what do you have, and change the size to big.
10, yes, sir.
Okay, you just change. Okay, anyhow, next week we are going to see all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now this one is again okay. Dimension again linear. Okay, here. Okay, sorry. Dimension linear is this one. Okay. I just exactly close here and then okay. 120. See, here is only 100. Here got 120. So this here we do the right thing, but here we didn't do the right thing. Here we calculated. Okay, because see, it's a mistake, right? You understand the mistake? Who understands the mistake?
Sir, the 100 mm here shortage. Sorry, the 100, right? So here the 10 mm here 10 mm shortage.
Yeah, why?
60 supposed to be 70, but here we draw is a 60 only.
Why?
What
is the
beginning
mistake
stage
what is the mistake we did? The mistake we did is actually here we did correctly 3 point. Here also you should do the same thing. You cannot calculate here. This is actually what I thought is actually since the center is from center to here is about 150 mm. Okay, this is sorry 120, right? This is 50 plus 100 mm. So from the center to here is 100 mm. Okay, this total length is 200 because you see here 50 plus 60 plus 20 plus 20. So this 100 mm from here to here is 100. Sorry, 200. Correct? Agree? From here to here is 100. Correct? Agree or not? Agree? Why no answer? From here to here is 100, 200, right? Hello?
Sir, cannot see where to where.
Oh, you cannot see, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see the drawing here?
Now can see, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so from here to here is actually is 200, correct? Agree?
Yes, sir, correct.
From this point to this point is 100, 200, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I put 100 radius.
20.
Okay. So anyhow, if, just listen, okay? Then any doubt we can still do it later, okay? So next we'll go to the next command. When you do linear, you can before you do linear, you just press enter. Then you got another circle, right? So you just click this one. So you also another method is like this. You understand what I did? Instead of selecting these two corners, I just put enter before I select. For example, dimension is asking you either you can put like this one and this one. Then here you can put like this. Okay, one thing. Then the second thing actually, instead of just put enter before you click. So it automatically select this line. See, so do the same thing. Okay, clear? Okay, so this is another one. This is the two type. Okay, so next one is what? Dimension, align. What is align?
Alignment. Align is a measurement, right? The labeling.
So here I want to do another modification here. I'm going to do a chamfer here. Okay, chamfer. Chamfer. Did I teach you chamfer or not?
No, sir.
Okay, miss out. Okay. Anyhow, I put distance. D. Here got so many options, right? You got D and angle. This we will only importance D and angle. Okay, distance and angle. You put only distance. Okay, D. I put D. What happened? It's ask you distance. Okay, first just listen. Distance. Okay, just I put 20. Okay, and then it's asking the next distance is also 20. Okay, then I select this one. What happens is from here is 20. From here to this line is 20. You know what I did? See, linear. This side is 20. And this side is 20. This is what I did. Okay, 2020, yeah. This is a chamfer. Chamfer is actually giving you a sharp corner can be modified by two things. One is actually fillet. Okay, one is fillet and one is chamfer. Modify is actually one is fillet and one is chamfer. Clear? Now any doubt in chamfer and fillet?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now we come to align command. Okay. The dimension align. Okay. Linear is always will give you X and Y. Okay. Linear always give you the horizontal or vertical. Okay. Delete all these things. Select everything. Delete. Select everything. Delete. Okay. So now I'm going to choose the align command. Okay. Modify. Sorry, dimension align. Align what is giving you. It will align according to that line. See, it will give you this parallel to the line you put. If I use align, I'll get this dimension. If I use the linear, what happens? Linear also I can do the same thing. See, it will only give you a dimension like this, but align is different.
Or linear is a horizontal, vertical, two type only.
Yes, correct. Linear is can be give you like this, and for this one is it will give you like align is it will give you according to the position. Here, see.
According to the opinion.
Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Go to the next one. Arc length. Arc length is not important, but anyhow, just learn. Arc length. You select this arc. It will give you the length of the arc. This I think is give you perimeter. So சுற்றளவு. இதான் வந்து இந்த length இந்த arc ஓட length இது actually. Okay? இது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கிடையாது. இது நம்ம மோஸ்ட்லி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம் நாம. So modify, erase. This one is not important. Erase. The next one is what? Okay, ordinate. What is ordinate? Ordinate is actually is not people. Maybe now it's a little bit advanced command, but anyway, just listen. Okay, ordinate is actually it is a distance between. There is the origin. You know UCS, United Coordinate System. Okay, user coordinate system. This is the UCS. This is where 0 0 and this is the some reading. Okay, so what I'll do is actually I'll bring the 0 0 to here. Okay, I put UCS. UCS. Enter. Okay, then sorry. UCS. Enter. And then I'll select this point. Now see this UCS is become okay, now it's asking you your x direction. This is x direction. It's asking y direction. This is y direction. So now the UCS has become here, right? So this is 0 0 of the thing. Okay, now what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to dimensioning. Dimension, ordinate. Okay, this is 20. This center is 35. This center is 120. This center 210. You know what I meant? Everything from this center. Oh, this is y, right? So I'm going to do the same thing for z also. Dimension, ordinate. You know what is happening? Can you see what is happening?
Center of the commands. Other command.
No. Now this is 0 0. This is 0 0 of your total drawing. Okay. So
okay,
this sorry. So this one is minus 20 actually. This is actually x is minus 20. This is minus plus 35. This is 120. From this point is 120. You see, I can draw here. Dimension linear. From this point to here, 120. Sorry. Dimension linear. See 120. Yeah, also 120. You know this day. What is the difference between here? Same thing. But this is 80, right? So I tell you. Dimension linear. Select this point. 80. See, this is also 80. This is also 80. Everything is reference to this point. XY. Because I bring the XY here, then I can do the dimension. Clear? Any doubt?
So it's a
Yes.
coordinate, right?
Coordinate. Yeah, coordinate. Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
So,
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Altaf. Come on.
so liner is measuring corner to corner. Then align is angle on.
Yes.
Coordinate center.
Okay, coordinate is actually what is it? Okay, see. Okay. Align. Align is actually is a linear is x and y. Okay.
Yes.
Horizontal and vertical. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want angle dimension, not angle, angular. Like for example, if you need to check the length of this line.
Yeah.
Not x and y, or not horizontal and vertical. Just length of this one. For example, if you want dimension of this point to this point, reference to this surface is actually you need to use align command, align dimension. Okay. Coordinate. Coordinate is what is the meaning of coordinate is actually, for example, you got okay, y coordinate is used. I'll tell you why coordinate is used. Okay. Okay. but maybe now you might if I use the purpose, then you might understand. Draw a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle plate. Okay, then here got so many dimensions here. Okay, so many holes. For example, draw circle. Okay, or circle. Then I'm going to use a array command. Format, modify, array. Okay, so select object, selected. This side be like, for example, is 20. Column is also 20. Okay, so this is maybe 30. Okay, and this is also 30. Okay. So you got so many. Okay. Okay, you have a plate and you got so many dimensions, right?
Yes, sir.
How to dimension so difficult? Okay, for example, you make this one as a reference. Okay, you make this corner as a reference. How you make the corner as a reference? You put UCS, then enter. Then it asks you where to put the point. Okay, you here got a center. Okay, just select this point. Okay, then it asks you what is the x direction. This is x direction. Okay, this is x is this direction, right? This is x, right?
Yes, yes,
X direction. Show the x direction. Then I'll ask you what is the y direction. You say this is the y direction. Now the
Vertical,
x,
yeah.
now your UCS is become here, right?
Yes,
Here
sir.
you just give the dimension. For example, you go to good dimension, coordinate, select this point. Easy. No need to worry. You know what? You know how I do dimensioning? Everything is reference to this point.
Sir, coordinate marking in the center.
Yes. No,
Okay,
center. This is from this corner to the center. You can give anything. If you want to side, you want to give side, you can give side. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
For example, if you use a drilling machine, okay, how you do the drilling machine? You start here, you make 0, 0, then you can go on keep on putting lines actually.
Yes, sir.
You can give on the, see, for example, you can also give on the side, but no point, okay, because our drilling is already, you need only center, you don't need the side, right? You can also give the side.